What's going on, YouTube? OCD for EDC here. Joined by my lovely wife, Molly. Say hello.
Hey again.
This is it. This is the third and final unboxing, and we're down to these 8. We have 8 boxes left to open. We kind of weeded through a little bit. We've already opened some amazing stuff, but these 8 right here, as far as new Spydercos go, these are pretty cool. So let's just get right into it. We're going to get into it?
Yeah, I got stuff to do.
We got stuff to do. We've been doing this for a while now. Here it is. This is
War of the Worlds.
War of the Worlds. Boom, boom. This is the Cutlery Shop exclusive Rex 45 PM2 in orange and blue G10, bright orange, bright blue. It's gorgeous. If you're a Syracuse fan, or, well, a whole bunch of schools do the orange and blue, it's really cool. I dig it. And Rex 45 is awesome. And, of course, this thing is perfectly centered. Action on it is fantastic right out of the box. She is a beauty. Absolute beaut. All right, next up, we have, look at that.
Right?
It is good looking carbon fiber. Marble carbon fiber. Oh, and the texture on it is, it's not just perfectly smooth. It's got a little bit of texture, right?
Oh, yeah.
Feels good, yeah? All right, this is an L-Max with marble carbon fiber. Let's see what the exclusive, or is this? This is a limited edition version. Oh, it's Frayed and Lock. Frayed and Lock Company.
Hey, what do you know?
Yeah, so I have the original
Frayed and Lock?
I have the original Frayed and Lock Mannix 2, which was marble carbon fiber and 4V. But yeah, that's beautiful. Frayed and Lock doing it again. L-Max action on this one, not as broke in and beautiful as that one, but it's still
You'll have that.
Gorgeous. Mm-hmm. Still perfectly centered, and it's going to break in nice, just a little bit tighter. All right, so we got the Frayed and Lock exclusive. And then we have this.
This is mine.
The aluminum scaled, textured, purple PM2. Oh, that sound is so good. Right?
I love it.
Bang.
Bang.
Oh.
That purple's so good.
CTS BD1N. So kind of a budget steal, but that's just fine. It's gorgeous.
So that means I can have it if it's a budget steal, right?
I don't know. Does it? Does
it mean
that? Okay. So this is a limited exclusive version, blah, 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 Blade HQ.
Blah, blah, blah.
6061 T6, aircraft grade, aluminum, yada, yada, yada.
You mean tell me I could make an airplane with that?
Purple texture, and look at it. It's gorgeous, right?
Mm-hmm. Right.
It looks so good.
So good.
And yeah, it's really cool.
That's what I was about in the first video.
Yeah, look, and it's got like this wood grain effect going on. It's super cool looking.
Yeah.
Really, really cool.
10 out of 10.
Yeah. Okay. So we got that one in purple. And then.
Green.
Green. CTS BD1N again with green. And man, they sound so good with the aluminum.
Snap.
I don't know if you guys can hear that. Let me do it by the mic. Yeah, they sound so good. And then.
You're kidding me.
Zachary, I know you love the blue, son.
Blue's good.
Look at it.
Just as beautiful as the purple and the green.
Just look at them.
They're just so beautiful.
Just look at them. Look at the way that the texture is done. Gives it this wood grain effect. It's so freaking cool. They look amazing. They feel amazing. We're going to have to do a video on these 3. They're just absolutely beautiful. They really are. So look at the PM2s, guys. And these were not the only PM2s. We have both, or what do we have, 2 or 3 SMKW PM2s as well. I am PM2'd up at the moment. You step
Yeah.
to me, you're getting PM2'd. Right? You see what I'm saying here? You see?
I'm gonna PM2 you right in the mouth.
There's 5 PM2s right there. Okay. So let's take a look at this. I don't even know what's in this little box. I haven't looked at the end of it yet, but here we go. Uh-oh. This is Blade HQ exclusive, Lil Native. Yes, CPM M4, Jade G10. Oh, yeah.
Son of a gun.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
Just gorgeous.
Yep. Gorgeous. Denver. Ah, the Sunshine State. Denver, yeah, gorgeous. Okay, next up, here it is. You guys know, or you might know, what's in this box. These are like
guessed.
my favorite thing ever. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh,
Mule team, go!
this is a mule team.
Chappie.
It is mule team time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mule team time. You guys can you guess what the mule team is? There it is. Uh-huh. So it says right there, Golden, Colorado, USA, Earth. Number 016 with the spider, with the little piter.
P-iter.
What do we got?
Speedomane.
Spyderco in CPM Magna Cut. Magna Cut.
It's like red hot magma.
it's
Only it's magna.
Yeah, with an N. It's not magma. Yeah, so we will definitely be doing a little edge retention test with the Magna Cut Mule. I think that'll give us, these are going to be heat treated to perfection, which is fantastic. If you're interested in reading, this is double-sided, so you'll get the specs right there. I'll hold it and pause if you want to stop the video right there to read it. And here is testing your Mule Team blade and sharing your feedback. So if you want to see what Spyderco has to say about it, there you go. And cut.
And we're done.
Okay. So I love the Mule Team. I know you all love the Mule Team. Let's go Mule Team. All right, we're down to one. This is it. This was the only pouched Spyderco in the package. I'm pretty sure I know which model this is. I don't know. Oh, it does say it right there. This is the stovepipe plain edge. I have not handled one of these yet, but I'm pumped to check it out. So let's do it. Here we go. Okay. Yes.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We got that, and we got a sticker. And we got the normal Spyderco. Let's see if it actually is on the stovepipe. Yes, it is. So there's a little preview of what that's going to look like, stovepipe. If you want to check it out and read any part of that, go ahead and do it right there. And we've got the nice heather gray fleece internal lining. These Spyderco pouches are quite nice. But here we go. Let's
Everybody
get into
likes
the
a nice
stovepipe.
pouch.
Everyone likes a nice soft pouch. I'm just going to get this tape, actually. Let's do that. It's got a little oil on it. We have titanium. We have a very interesting looking blade. It's a little smaller than I was expecting. We got a little dot under the pocket clip there so we don't get any rubbing going on. You can see here that this is a titanium frame lock. What's that?
Can't have rubbing.
All right, you ready? See some flipping? Boom. Let's see here. Oh. That actually, this right here feels really good to just put your thumb right in that spot. And yeah, no, it feels really good actually. I'm kind of digging this. We've got a hollow ground Warncliffe blade with a swedge on that tiny little portion right there. This is a Taichung Taiwan. And it is in 20 CV, CPM 20 CV. It's got like, I'm going to say, it looks to me like the tie and the blade were bead blasted and then heavily tumbled, but it was tumbled with a really fine media. So it's definitely was tumbled, but yeah, the stone washing is very fine. Let's see what the action's like here. Oh yeah, it's nice and smooth. It's a little bit stiff, but I think that'll come around quite nicely. All right, what do you think of it? Out of all the Spydercos here, that one is...
Nope.
Nope,
I just
can't
do it.
Okay, that's fine. You like it?
No, not particularly.
Not particularly? Okay, that's fine.
Like, it's not the worst thing in the world, but it's just not meant for a small hand, I think.
Yeah.
The way, like, my fingers line up and stuff.
It actually fits... Here, why don't you close it? It actually fits my hand. No, it's a frame lock. It actually fits my hand better than I was expecting because you're like ultra choked up on it. And so I was thinking that it was going to be really small. And it is quite small, but it actually fits. But you can see that I'm right up to the cutting edge.
And my fingers were on the cutting edge if I choked up.
Gotcha. But yeah, it's interesting. Very, very interesting knife. So, you know, we'll do some reviews on these. It's got some interesting stuff going on and some really neat milling happening. Definitely a interesting design. Really cool, you know, pivot screw with the pivot collar. And just 2-screw construction. Got 2 screws on the pocket clip there. Yeah, really cool. Okay. Let's see what we're working with here. This is the last go around with checking some factory edges. But man, was this a lot of knives. Oop. Let me turn it on here. Terror. Okay. We're just going to go through the PM2s first. Rex 45, PM2. Here we go. $185. You know what? I'm going to leave those Blade HQs. We're going to do the L-Max, the Freyden Lock exclusive. Here we go. Ooh, 135.
Okay.
135. So let's kick him out. The Freyden Lock. Nice. That's a good result.
Hello?
So what was there? Like, there was like 8 PM2s in this box. Crazy. I think there was only one pair of 3. But there was a couple Sage 5s. Here we go. BD1N. 175 for the green. Next up, the blue. $130. There we go. That's a good result. Next up, what do you call it? Are you just going to call this purple, or is it like magenta or something?
No, it's purple.
Just purple? Okay.
Yeah.
Here we go. Again, BD1N.
Magenta's more
Ooh,
pink.
105.
That's my girl. That's my
105.
girl. That's my girl.
All right. So there we go. Actually, that's the order those were in. Okay. Now we're down to 3. Let's hit up this Native Chief in CPM M4, or Native Chief. I'm sorry. Lil Native M4. Ooh, 110. Another fantastic result out of the Lil Native. Okay, I'm gonna save my hee-haw to the end, just because, you know, it's a mule team, and I love the mule teams. All right, stovepipe, 20 CV stovepipe. Here we go. 150, 150. Not a bad result at all. One left. Here we go. Last one. CPM MagnaCut Mule. Here it is. $180.
Lame.
Yep. But they're meant to be beat on, so that's fine. We'll get her sharpened up.
I'm the
and
wiener.
We're going to do some testing with it. I'm looking forward to it. Okay. Well, there you go, guys. This was an epic unboxing that is, yeah, crazy. The most insane unboxing that I've ever done, for sure, and that I've ever seen before. You know, it was special circumstances that led to this epic unboxing. But that's fine. It was all good. It actually worked out well because we have been extremely busy. And so this was a lot of fun. I'm glad these boxes showed up while I was out of town. It made for a fun unboxing to come home to all this stuff. And, you know, this is an insane amount of knives here. Yeah, lots of fun. Really super cool. We just opened up 25
And then some.
25 plus, 25 Collector Club Spydercos plus however many more, 4.5 pounds worth of knives from other outlets. So there you go, guys. You got anything left to say?
Nope. See you Sunday.
See you Sunday. We're live Sunday night, 7 p.m. Central. Peace. We out of here.
Bye-bye.